Welcome to another video with Forex and Mingu. So in this video, we're going to be talking about the Fibonacci retracement. So the Fibonacci retracement is a regular occurrence in nature. So why do we use this in trading? I don't know, but all that I know is that it works. How do you use it? I'll show you. So in order to get the Fibonacci retracement on your trading view, you have to go to this side. See, then you click here. It's the first one for me. I hope it's the first one for you too. But if you don't find it, just read and see Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so I clicked it right now. So this is how my Fibonacci look like. I just like to share with you the settings so you can screenshot the settings and then you can copy onto your trading view so you can have the same settings as I do. So that is my fib settings, which work with the strategy I use. So you can also use similar settings because it's not that much of a difference depending on the strategy that you use. It's not that much of a difference because the Fibonacci works on all different strategies except ICT. I've never heard him speak about the fib, but yeah, there's it. So after having those settings, this is how you would use a fib, and this is how I use it. The Fibonacci can be used in different ways, but I mainly just use it like as an extra confirmation on whether a resistance or support can be found at a certain area. You see, when using the Fibonacci retracement, still continue to draw out your support and resistance as normal. Okay, so you still draw out your support and resistance as normal, and once you have done that, then you just use the Fibonacci as an added confirmation. So as we can see right here, we're gonna pretend that this whole, what do you call it, this whole drop in the market price didn't happen. So we are just gonna consider this green, the up, the bullish. Okay. So as you see the bullish, we're gonna predict where we can enter here. You see, I've drawn my support and resistance on all the different levels. So now I'm gonna take out my fib, and this is how I use it. I place it from the lowest, so we're predicting a sell right now, from the lowest till the previous high, which would be here. You see, right here. This is the previous high, right here. So I placed it here. Okay, I didn't place it here because I don't know if this is the end. Remember, because we are discarding this whole information, this whole side. We're pretending like it didn't happen yet. You see, all this, we are pretending like it didn't happen yet. So I can't replay right now because my subscription has expired. But anyways, we know what we're gonna do right here. We're gonna pretend all that didn't happen. So now you place your fib like that. So remember, you already drew your support and resistance right there and right there. So now what does the fib tell you? It tells you that there's a resistance right here, which you saw right here, and there's a resistance right here at the negative 27 level. You see right here, okay? And then there's a resistance right here, which lines up with this resistance, which lines up with, let me get this marker so I can show you guys perfectly. So there's a resistance right here, which is already drawn out, okay? Which lines up with this resistance here. You see? Okay. So then again, there's a resistance here. Okay. So as you see, the fib has aligned and has matched with the resistance which we have placed right here. Okay, so that's how I use it. If there's a resistance naturally without the fib, and then there's a resistance with the fib, and then they align as it is happening right here. You see, I have this resistance right here and right here. So now I see the market going up, right? Bullish, and then I see a rejection, which is a double top right here. If you can see properly, it's a double top right there. Okay. If I go to a larger time frame, you might as well just see some rejections, which is our major confirmation. At least my major confirmation that I like to use rejections. So after that, you see the market going down, and then we see it retest this area right there. Okay, that is coming from the double top. You see, double top, it went down. If you didn't manage to sell it right here at the top, tippity top, then you get to re-enter. Then you get to re-enter right here. You get to re-enter right here, which is in alignment with this area, which is in alignment with this area, which is in alignment with this fib area, which is also in alignment with this fib area, which is 38.20. Okay, so you see it rejected 38.20, and then you see it come and reject here again. Sorry for this notification on the screen. You see it again reject here at 0.00. Okay, so now you can take entry to take it down to the low. You're gonna sell it right here. They're gonna put exactly just as it's showing you right there. Okay, you're gonna place it behind the top resistance because it's the major resistance. They're gonna sell it until this area, which is the last low. So as long as your average is more than a 1 to 1, you see this is 1 to 2, but it's close to being to a 1 to 3, so you can take it. Okay, if you want, you can bring this much up closer, but I would just keep it like this because you don't want to play yourself. Okay, so you're gonna leave it there. So then you sell it. So yeah, that was the video on the Fibonacci retracement. I hope you guys learned more on the Fib retracement, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please comment, subscribe, and tell your friends about the video if you have learned something from it, so that our channel can grow. Thanks. Have a good day. All right.